Infor time track, premium codes. Premium codes are used to automatically inflate or deflate payroll hours for overtime or shift premium purposes. The shift configuration allows for the designation of spans of times that are eligible for premium codes. Absence hours may also be designated as being eligible for premiums. To create a premium code, we need to click on the premium code icon. This then brings up the premium code form. We specify a code, a description, and the premium that this represents. The premium can be positive, or it can, in certain circumstances, be negative. In this case, we consider this to be a discount code because we are discounting the hours worked. To configure a shift with premium codes, we open the Shifts form, then select the Authorized Hours tab. We enter the premium code on the shift days and hours types where the hours will be eligible for a premium, and then we hit Save. When Calculate Premium is selected during payroll processing, the hours entered during the spans that are eligible for premium will have the premiums applied. We can also assign premium codes to absence codes. By default, the premium method for absence codes is none. There are two options for configuring an absence code with a premium. Firstly, we can set the premium method to shift to apply the premium specified in the shift configuration. With this configuration, absence hours that occur during spans that are eligible for premium will receive the premium during the payroll process. Hours that do not occur during a span configured for premium will process through payroll with no premium. Secondly, we can select the premium code for premium method. This will activate the premium code field. We can then select the desired premium code. In this case, we're saying it's a 25% reduction. With this configuration, any time absence hours for this absence code are entered, the selected premium will be applied to these hours during payroll processing. When hours are processed, the actual worked clocked hours are submitted to payroll. We select the records to calculate premium for, then select the Calculate Premium icon from the icon ribbon to apply premium hours. The status in the visual queue of the payroll record will update from submitted to premium calculated. The hours now include the premium hours. The premium is recalculated during payroll processing, so the manual step of calculating premium may be omitted if your process does not require it. In payroll detail in the extract calculations portion of the form, for each hours type there is a display of the clocked hours, the calculated premium, and the total hours for that hours type. The extract sample displays the gross total for each hours type. The payroll details array displays a premium record for each report date that has premium eligible hours in it. Discount premiums are presented in the same way as premiums. Note the absence hour has a negative 20% premium code. When premiums are calculated, a premium code record for negative hours is included in the payroll details array. In the extract calculations rollup, the negative hours appear adjacent to the actual hours. The result is a reduction in the total hours. The gross hours for the absence appear in the extract sample as well.